Little update on the truck. I did post a video of it running, and that's pretty much where I'm at. Tested out the power steering. Power steering works and leaks. But the truck's been sitting for a couple hours, well, a day. So I want to see if it'll fire up. And once it fires up, I'm gonna start pressure washing the engine. Oh, that's a good sign. Fired right up. Probably shut off. It's almost out of gas. But yeah, from my other video, I had the positive and negative terminal switched, and somehow it was still cranking but never fired. So now that it runs fine, I am going to cover up everything useful in the engine bay and pressure wash the motor. So I'm going to get a shot of what it looks like now. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. It's pretty greasy and slimy. I'm hoping I can pressure wash a lot of this loose gunk off. I'm just going to spray it down with simple green, cover up the distributor, cover the carb up, seal it up so no water gets in, and most likely after it's pressure washed I'm going to drain the oil anyway because it hasn't been changed since I got it. We'll see what it looks like after I'm done. Hopefully a little better. Okay, just got done pressure washing it. You can actually see some metal. Now I'm gonna soak up the water, blow, probably use some compressed air, blow the water off. Even got some of the grease off the hood. Now that all I did was just spray simple green on it, and I really didn't even let it soak, didn't even brush it. I might buy some of that engine degreaser and spray it on again, let it soak more, got some of the frame, which is probably what prevented it from rotting away, all the grease and oil. Got underneath, got up in the axles, ball joints. I couldn't even see into there. Yeah, so next is clean up this water and just let it dry out. So I figured I would do first oil change on this thing since I got it, and it's probably due. There is lots of sludge and rust. I don't know what that stuff is, but it's pretty gunked up. Some old gasket, I guess, fell in there. But push rods, ones that are supposed to spin nice and free. So I guess all the metal contact surfaces are good so far. But yeah, I'm gonna shop vac all this junk out and probably pull the other valve cover off and put a crappy frame filter on there and finish changing the oil. Okay, that stuff's all cleaned out. Nothing but the best. $10 for 5 quarts. Well, 6.5. Like 15 bucks. Oil change under 20 bucks with a filter. Alright, fresh oil change. I still don't have an air filter. No one carries an air filter for this thing. Everybody's out of stock and they're like 6 bucks. No one has them. I thought it's like a plain 14-inch or whatever round filter, but No one has them. Alright, so we're gonna start it up with fresh oil, and so we'll jump in here, give it a couple pumps. Oh, that's right. I forgot I disconnected the spark plug, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so it was that was basically the Ford V6 79 400 V6 that you just heard. They only made them for a couple years. And I don't, well, no, I was wrong. That was a 4-cylinder. Let's see here. 5. I don't remember if this is right. 5, 6. Where's it go? 6, 5. 5, 6. I don't remember. That's what Google's for. Until I memorize it. That should be 7. This should be 8. Yeah, so that was the very early, well, very late 79 400 4-cylinder that Ford made. And let me look up the firing order quick. Oh. Looking at my phone, that's a crack I found in the steering box. Five, 6. 5, 6. I did that backwards. 5, 6. I think I did it backwards. Let me look. 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 3, 7. Yeah. All right. Let's see how it runs now. It actually didn't run too bad on 4 cylinders. That's better. Sounds better. Fresh oil.